In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add name servers in Cloudflare. If you're planning to improve your site's performance and enhance its security, switching your DNS to Cloudflare is a smart move. Let's walk through the steps you need to get this done. First, you'll want to start by retrieving your assigned Cloudflare name servers. Go ahead and log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're in, select the domain you're working on. This part is crucial because each domain you manage on Cloudflare will have its own set of unique name servers. On the Overview tab, you'll find a section labeled Replace with Cloudflare's Name Servers. Here you'll see two host names provided by Cloudflare, such as ANS, Cloudflare.com, and BDNS, Cloudflare.com. These are your new name servers, and you'll need to use them exactly as they appear, so make sure to note them down or keep this page handy. Next up, it's time to update your name servers at your domain registrar. Log into your domain registrar account, or a reseller account if you're using one, like a site builder account where you purchased your domain. Search for the section where your domain's DNS or name server's settings are managed. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to remove any existing name servers. This effectively cuts the DNS ties with the current settings. In their place, input the two Cloudflare name servers you've just retrieved. Be very careful here. Any typographical error could hinder proper DNS resolution, which can lead to your website not working as expected. If you previously enabled DNS-SEC, you'll need to disable it at the registrar before switching name servers. This ensures no conflicts arise during the transition. Once you've made these changes, save them. Some registrars may ask for confirmation, so if prompted, go ahead and confirm. The waiting game begins now. DNS propagation can take up to 24 hours as it travels around the globe, though you've done everything correctly so far. Cloudflare will send you an email when it has detected the successful switch of name servers, and once your Cloudflare status shows active. This status change is the green light indicating your DNS is now hosted on Cloudflare, marking the completion of a significant upgrade to your domain's performance and security measures. For those who like to verify things along the way, there are some optional but handy tools at your disposal. Tools like What's My DNS or command line tools, such as dig or nslookup, can help you check which name servers are currently active. These can provide peace of mind while DNS changes are propagating, and even after the process is complete. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added name servers in Cloudflare. You're now set up to enjoy improved security and performance benefits.